Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if x and y are two events such that p of x given y equals 1 by 2. We have solved these kind of questions. P of y given x equals 1 by 3 and P of x intersection y equals 1 by 6. Then which of the following are true? Let's crack these situations first. So P of x given y means what? P of x intersection y first and then P of y. Okay, so P of x given y is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. P of x intersection y is what? 1 by 6 P of y. So P of y equals 2 by 6. Now let's move on to the next part. So it is P of y given x. So it is P of x intersection y upon P of x. The thing which is on the denominator you have to write in the denominator. Okay. So P of x y given x is 1 by 3 equals x intersection y. X intersection y is what? 1 by 6. So 1 by 6. So P of y. So can I say that P of y equals 3 by 6? Okay. So they are saying that x and y are independent. Okay. So how it can become independent? So x and y can be independent if P of x intersection y is equal to P of x into P of y. If this equality hold true, then it is independent. So P of x intersection y is what? 1 by 6. P of x is what? 2 by 6. Sorry, P of, oh, we wrote both cases, we wrote wrong. Here we should write x. Here it is x. Okay. Now, so P of x is 3 by 6 and P of y is 2 by 6. Okay, so clearly if you'll observe, they are not equal. Okay, so it is not independent. So this is true, this is wrong. Now we have to jump on to the next part. The next part is this. This is x, this is y. So this is x, this is y. They are talking about this room. Okay, inside y but outside x. So you know that x intersection y is 1 by 6 and P of y is what? 2 by 6. So total minus 1 by 6 will become 1 by 6. So inside y outside x means this room will become 1 by 6, but they are saying it is 1 by 3, so it is wrong. Okay, now we have to go with P of x union y. So it is P of x plus P of y minus P of x intersection y. So P of, let's calculate. So we have P of x as what? 3 by 6 plus P of y. P of y is 2 by 6 minus x intersection y is 1 by 6. So it is 3 to 5. 5 minus 1. So it is 4 by 6. So it is 2 by 3. This means option D is correct. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.